Hello everyone, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. This is Ramesh Pabba, faculty at ACE Engineering Academy. In this video, I am going to discuss about exam pattern and preparation strategy of RRB JE CBT 2 exam. RRB JE CBT 2 exam pattern as well as preparation strategy. What is the syllabus and how to prepare, what topics are to be focused more, everything I'm going to take. Especially in this video I'm covering electrical engineering complete information. Okay, here these are the corresponding categories. I can say subject general awareness, physics and chemistry, basics of computer applications, basics of environment and pollution. All these are coming under general studies, we can say. And coming to our technical paper, that is electrical engineering paper, that we can say technical abilities, we can say, right? From electrical paper, 100 marks will be there for electrical students. So technical abilities, electrical paper, 100 marks. Now I am going to discuss now about complete information regarding syllabus of electrical and allied engineering branches. What is a syllabus given for electrical and how to prepare, what is a subject name, what are the corresponding topics they have given. But in order to get the better score, which topics are to be focused, more and more I'm discussing now. The first one he has given, right, in this basic concepts. In the syllabus, the starting one he has given basic concepts, and after that circuit law, and then AC fundamentals, magnetic circuits, and these are the corresponding things given. But for all these, the subject name we can say circuit theory or electrical circuits or network theory, we can say. As all electrical engineers know that all these principles are coming under which one? Network theory subject or electrical circuit subject. In this they have given concept of resistance, inductance, capacitance, nothing but basics of RLC, we can say, and various factors affecting them. For example, resistance, R equal to rho L by A. So based on that, which factors are there, and then concept of current, voltage, power, energy and their units, nothing but what is current, what is voltage, what is power. All these are related to basic concepts in the circuit theory. And here circuit law, we are having different laws, that is Kirchhoff's law, simple circuit solutions using network theorems. We are having Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, superposition theorem, maximum power transfer theorem, like that. Different theorems they are asking. After that, magnetic circuit, concept of flux, concept of MMF, magnetomotive force, reluctance, opposition offered for the flow of flux, we can say, like that. Different kinds of magnetic materials, magnetic calculations for conductors, right? Example, straight, circular, solenoid, etc. And then electromagnetic induction, self and mutual induction. All these are coming under magnetic circuits. And these are related to DC, these are related to magnetic circuits. And now AC fundamentals. In this, instantaneous value, RMS value, maximum value, right? Like that, average value, everything. Instantaneous, peak, RMS, average values. Representation of sinusoidal waveform, simple series and parallel AC circuits. He has elaboratedly given simple circuits of RLC, series, parallel, like that they have given, consisting of RL and C, resonance, and then tank circuit. After that, polyphase system. All these are under single phase, these are under polyphase system, star and delta connection, three-phase power, measurement and all. DC and sinusoidal response of RL and RC circuits means transient related concept they are asking. So this is the entire syllabus given in the, what is that, circuit subject, we can say. But sir, out of all these, of course, every topic is to be prepared, but on which topics you are supposed to focus means basics. You have to focus on basics, current, voltage, power, energy, and then resistance, inductance, capacitance and basic formulae. You will be having more chance of getting the questions. and network theorems, right? Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, maximum power transfer theorem, and superposition theorem. After that, AC circuit analysis. They are asking RL circuit, RC circuit, simple series parallel questions. And transients, I told you, DC transient, you may be having more chance of getting the questions. And then magnetic circuits. In this magnetic circuit, basic fundamental questions and small numericals. If you concentrate more on these topics, you can get good score. This is the complete information regarding circuit theory or electrical circuit subject. Coming to the next subject, measurement and measuring instruments. Measurement and measuring instruments. Nothing but this subject is practically very important. Whatever the subject you take, everywhere you need to measure something. So that's why in almost all competitive examinations for electrical engineers, especially measurement and measuring instrument subject will be given. Okay, measurement of power, single phase, three phase, both active and reactive power, by using 1 watt meter, 2 watt meter, 3 watt meter, etc. And energy measurement, 2 watt meter method of 3 phase power measurement, a measurement of frequency and phase angle, nothing but frequency measurement and phase angle they are asking. Ammeter and voltmeter, both moving coil, generally we say PMMC we say, and then moving iron means MI we can say. Extension of range, this is generally very important. Of course, each and every topic is playing the role, but extension of range of corresponding meters very important. Megger, it is a popular device used for measurement of insulation resistance we can say. Energy meter, AC bridges, self-inductance measuring bridges, capacitance measuring bridges, frequency measuring bridges, and mutual inductance measuring bridges. Use of CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, signal generator, CT and PT, current transformer and potential transformer, and their uses earth fault detection. This is a syllabus given in measurement subject. He has given measurement and measuring instrument, but commonly we say measurement subject. But in this, which topics we are supposed to focus more? That is error analysis. Throughout the entire subject, we are going to have, right, what is the error? Error is more. If error is more, how to minimize? Like that, each and every topic, the conclusion will be error is more, we have to reduce it. Error is less, happy. In that way, error analysis will be there. And instruments, PMMs and MI, only both they are asking. Measurement of power, single phase power and three phase power. Energy, bridges, CRO, and CT and PT. If you concentrate more on these topics, you can get good score from the measurement subject, right? Next subject is electrical machines. Of course, you know, in our entire electrical engineering, basically according to the competitive examination, 4 machines we use or 4 machines we discuss. What is it? DC machine, transformers, induction motors, and then synchronous machine. Kindly focus here. DC machine, single phase and 3 phase transformers, 3 phase induction motors, and synchronous machines. All machines are covered. But sir, all machines, almost all topics are covered. Okay, but on which topics we have to focus more, especially from all the topics, you know, EMF equation of transformer, there are chances of getting questions from that. Performance parameters of transformer. So what are the performance parameters are there? Focus more. And 3 phase transformer, mainly KVA calculations. Speed control of DC motors we can say, or rotating machines. Speed control of DC motors, speed control of induction motors, you are getting the questions. And characteristics of different machines. If you focus more on this, there is a chance of getting better score correspondingly. Right? Next one, generation, transmission and distribution. The subject name itself is given like this, but in our electrical engineering, we say that this entire thing comes under power system subject. Generation, transmission, distribution. Right here, all types of generation, transmission, distribution, corresponding things are given. Okay, but among all these, where you have to focus more? Basics, corona, insulators, power factor improvement. and then classification of transmission lines, and then classification of conductors, solid conductors, hollow conductors, like that. And classification of transmission lines means short transmission line, medium transmission line, long transmission line. Yes, you have to focus on that. Protection, relays, differential relay and Buchholz relay, we can say. And generation part, hydel, thermal and nuclear power plant. Okay, these must be focused to get the better score, and mostly in this exam generally they are focusing more on transmission part. If you focus more on the transmission, you can get better score along with these topics, right? Next one is estimation and costing. Estimation and costing. Estimation of lighting scheme, electrical installation of machines, relevant IE rules, and then earthing practice and IE rules. So this is the syllabus. Sir, out of all these, what we have to focus, right? Here, tender analysis, you have to focus more, estimation process and concept, and then IE rules. If you focus more on this, there are chance of getting better score. Okay, right. Next one, utilization of electrical energy, UEE, we can say. Utilization of electrical energy, UEE, right? Here, illumination, electrical heating and welding, electroplating, electric drives and motors. These are the topics they have given. But from this, right, illumination, lighting related questions, heating related questions, welding related questions, like that, all topics almost covered. That's why I'm giving here. You need to focus on traction part, illumination, heating, welding and then drives part. So almost all parts are covered here. So in this way, you need to focus more. And next subject is basic electronics. Next subject is basic electronics. The question is working of various electronic devices. Example, PN junction diodes, transistors, NPN and PNP types, BJT and JFET, bipolar junction transistor, and right, J field effect transistor, simple circuits using these devices. So this is the syllabus given. Now, in this, which topics are to be focused more? Focus more on the diode, forward bias or reverse bias, different types of concepts, and BJT, transistor, and then FET. Kindly focus more on these, then you will be having better chance of getting the good score. So this is the complete information regarding entire syllabus and how to prepare, or nothing but which topics are to be concentrated more and more. But now the question arises, sir, where we have to prepare, sir? What resource we are having, sir? That is what? One-stop solution, that is ACE Engineering Academy is providing the coaching for different examinations. So here RRB JE, right, coaching we are offering, RRB JE, right, that is self-paced program, that is pre-recorded course, right, related to all these subjects. Already recorded platform is available, so you can take the coaching. From that you can have all these subjects preparation. But sir, what are the different types of, right, modes we are having? Nothing but subscription options, we can say. That is 3-month subscription, 6-month subscription and 12-month subscription you are having. So according to your requirement, you can opt anyone. This is self-paced program, that is pre-recorded course. For electrical people, yes, pre-recorded course is available, you can opt. And here RRB JE CBT 1, pre-recorded courses, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Right? If you are using this code, you are getting the 20% off on the corresponding course. This is CBT1 pre-recorded course. In the same way, CBT2, right? Again, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months platforms are available. And if you use the code ACE20, you can get 20% off even in this platform also. Next one, SSC JE is also available. We are offering coaching for even SSC JE, prelims and mains, right? Here, classroom coaching is there, online live class are there for GS and corresponding technical, and RRB JE 2025 for civil engineering. Classroom coaching is there, and then online live classes are also there. Right? And in this ACE Academy, we are having RRB JE and SSJE booklets are also available. You can have those booklets through these platforms. So this is the complete information regarding exam pattern and syllabus and what topics are to be focused, and finally where we have to get this entire, from where we have to get this entire subject, means that is from our ACE Academy. Different platforms are there, that is called as self-paced program is there. You can take the corresponding 3 months, 6 months or 12 months course. Clear guys? This is the complete information guys. All the best. Thank you.